I place 2 blocks side by side, snap another across. The bridge begins to rise. Ella sees the gap, adds more to the span. Now people can cross, it's part of our plan. Step by step, block by block, we see together we can make what none could achieve alone. Little hands, big dreams, building endlessly. Every piece we place, a city of our own. I start a small base, 4 blocks make a square. Add walls on top, then a roof goes there. The bridge leads to my house, figures walk inside. Every little step shows how builds can unite. Tom rolls a car along the street we laid, sees the bridge and house connects the road we made. A ram joins the street to the tower's base. Cars zoom smoothly, each piece finds its place. I stack a tower beside the house, snap a flag on top, waving for all to see. The bridge, the house, the roads, and the tower all linked together. Small blocks gain power. Maya adds a park, then lace some train track. The train circles the city, there's no turning back. Cars drive by, figures wave from their doors. Every small action helped the city grow more. Step by step, block by block, we see together we can make what none could achieve alone. Little hands, big dreams, building endlessly. Every piece we place, a city of our own.